Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, June 12, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves across technology, communications, and healthcare sectors, including key stocks and related indexes. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes were mostly higher today. The technology sector led gains, rising 47.41 points to 4,727.38. The Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite posted modest gains, while the communication services sector declined slightly. Market breadth was positive across most indexes. The Nasdaq 100 showed strong participation with 69% of components advancing. The healthcare sector saw particularly broad gains, with advances outpacing declines by a 3-2 margin. Short-term returns remain solid. The technology sector leads with a 1.4% weekly gain and 4.5% month-to-date return. The communication services sector has gained 3.2% this month despite today's decline. Oracle topped tech performers, surging 13.3% to a new all-time high of 199.86. Gen Digital broke out of a 3-day consolidation, climbing 2.8% to 30.27. On Semiconductor added 2.3% in strong trading. Looking at returns, Oracle has surged nearly 15% this week and over 20% month-to-date. On Semiconductor shows strong momentum with a 26% gain this month despite being down year-to-date. Among decliners, microchip technology fell 2.3% to 67.93, while advanced micro devices dropped 2.1% to 118.50, its second straight decline. Fair Isaac continued its downward trend, losing 1.1%. Despite today's decline, microchip technology maintains strong gains of 17% month-to-date. Enphase Energy continues to struggle, down 35% year-to-date despite an 8% weekly bounce. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed strength across the board. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both maintained very strong upward trends, with VGT gaining 4.52. VanEck Semiconductor displayed some upward volatility while maintaining its strong positive trend. The 3x bearish QQQ has been moving sideways for 35 days. Month-to-date returns show impressive gains. VanEck Semiconductor leads with a 9.8% return, while 3x bullish QQQ has gained 8.1%. Vanguard Information Technology posted a 4.5% gain. Conversely, 3x bearish QQQ has declined 7.6% this month.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Microsoft leads with a 1.3% gain to 478.87, hitting a new all-time high. Meta Platforms and Alphabet both declined for a second day. Amazon maintains a strong upward trend despite minimal movement today. Year-to-date returns show stark contrasts. Microsoft leads with a 13.6% gain, while Apple has declined 20.5%. Meta Platforms shows impressive momentum with an 18.4% gain, despite recent downward movement. In semiconductor stocks, AXT surged 18.6% to 2.35, marking its 6th consecutive up day. Indie Semiconductor jumped 7.1% with strong volatility, while Amtech Systems gained 5% in its 3rd straight positive session. Month-to-date performance shows AXT leading with a remarkable 55.6% gain. Indie Semiconductor follows with 30.6%, while GCT Semiconductor has gained 25.2% despite its mixed negative trend. Cloud computing stocks show strength led by Oracle, surging 13.3% to a new all-time high of 199.86. SailPoint rose 3.4% in its 5th consecutive positive day. Dell Technologies and Palo Alto Networks both maintain strong upward trends. Week-to-date returns in cloud computing show SailPoint leading with a 22.2% gain, followed by Oracle at 14.8%. Cisco Systems maintains its very strong positive trend, despite a slight weekly decline. In AI and robotics, Vicarious Surgical leads with a 7.6% gain. Hyundai Motor rose 1.4% with continued upward momentum. Nasdaq shows strong positive trend in its third consecutive up day. Month-to-date returns in robotics show Vicarious Surgical and Hyundai Motor leading with gains of 15.4% and 6.7% respectively. Oceaneering International has advanced 11.4% despite mixed trends. In thematic ETFs, AI and technology and robotics both show very strong positive trends, each closing up 5 consecutive days. Spear Alpha and Industrial and Logistics demonstrate consolidation patterns while maintaining upward momentum. Robotics leads month-to-date returns at 4.5%, followed by AI and technology at 4.7%. Year-to-date, AI and technology shows the strongest performance with a 9.2% gain. Electric vehicle stocks faced pressure today. Tesla fell 2.2% to 319.11, while Rivian dropped 2% to 13.91. Li Auto declined 1.8% to 28.87, breaking downward after 3 days of sideways movement. Week-to-date, Tesla leads with an 8.1% gain despite today's decline. Li Auto maintains strong year-to-date performance, up 20.3%, while Lucid shows the largest decline at -28.5%. Quantum computing leaders showed mixed results. Applied Materials gained 1.2% to 175, displaying a very strong positive trend. TE, Connectivity, and Honeywell posted modest gains while maintaining upward momentum. Applied Materials shows impressive month-to-date gains of 11.6%. TE Connectivity leads year-to-date performance with a 16.1% increase, while Summit Hotel Properties has declined 31.4%. Solar stocks showed strength, led by Zeo Energy surging 4.3% to 3.37. FTC Solar gained 1.7% to 4.59, marking its 5th consecutive positive close. Solar Edge advanced 0.91% with strong upward momentum. Zeo Energy leads week-to-date returns at 23.9%. Solar Edge Technologies shows impressive year-to-date gains of 54.6%, while FTC Solar has declined 16.7% over the same period. Leading tech thematic ETFs showed strength today. iShares expanded. Tech software sector ETF rose to 107.4, showing a strong upward trend and breaking out after 3 days of consolidation. Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund reached a new all-time high at 242.57, maintaining upward volatility for 5 consecutive days. Returns analysis reveals Technology Select SPDR Fund leading the week with a 1.77% gain. iShares Expanded Tech Software shows the strongest year-to-date performance at 6.91%, while Global X Cybersecurity ETF maintains impressive momentum with a 12.37% gain this year.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.